Hello. In today's world, your competitive edge is often reflected in your appearance, which is why a lot of people want to lose weight. But not everyone has the time to hit the gym. And getting surgery can be as costly as it is risky. Now there's a way to lose weight without having to worry about any of these problems. Micool is the latest way to shed those pounds by using a method known as cryo-fat reduction. Made by Hyaronic, meet the cryo-fat reduction device Micool right now.
Hyaronic is the industry leader in medical equipment technology for skin and obesity treatment. Exporting to over 50 countries around the world, Hyaronic stands at the forefront of promoting beauty in Korea. Its latest creation, Micool, utilizes the cryo-fat reduction method. Micool's cryo-fat reduction method selectively freezes unwanted fat cells so that they can easily be removed and no harm is done to the surrounding cells.
Micool is a great device, not just for the patients, but for the doctors using it. First and foremost, it's very easy to use. By pressing a few buttons, the machine is ready and automatically set for the procedure. What makes Micool special is that once the applicator is attached to the patient, there's nothing for the doctor to worry about. You don't even need an assistant to use this device. So for doctors who run their own hospitals, it's very efficient. Another merit is that Micool has two applicators. You can use the device on two parts of the patient's body at the same time. So it's more time efficient than any other cryo-fat reduction device out there. Micool has three types of applicators, each suitable for different parts of the body. For larger areas, such as the back or the stomach, there's the wide applicator. And for the sides and lower stomach, you can use the normal applicator. And for curved areas like the arms and the thighs, there's the plate type applicator. Micool is especially effective for people with partial weight concerns. Losing weight in just the belly area, the waist, arms, thighs, or back is extremely difficult, even when dieting or working out. With Micool, you can reduce fat in just the area you want. Now, on how Micool's treatment process works. First, depending on which part of the body is being treated, the patient either sits or lies down. Then the most suitable applicator is chosen for the treatment and fixed to the patient's body. When fixing the applicator to the patient, a smart liner is attached to the inside of the device so that just the right amount of pressure is applied. A smart pad is attached to the skin so that it is not affected during the process. The smart pad is firmly attached so that there are no bubbles between the pad and the surface of the patient's skin. Once everything is set and ready, the doctor selects the pressure level and time of treatment. The whole procedure usually takes 45 to 60 minutes. And the pressure ranges from 0 to 100. Generally for men, the pressure is set at 90, and for women, 80. But it depends on the elasticity of the skin and the amount of fat cells to be removed. When pulling the treatment area with the applicator, the stiffness may at first seem alarming, but don't worry. And for better results, make sure there's no space between the applicator and the smart pad. The treatment area is then frozen to a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius. During this process, fat cells must be selectively chosen so as not to affect the surrounding skin, blood vessels, or nerves. After the initial treatment, continuous removal of the fat cells over a period of 1 week to 3 months will result in the complete removal of fat cells. Anesthesia is not needed for this non-invasive treatment, so the patient can freely read a magazine or even make a call while he or she is being treated. And you don't have to worry about any side effects either, because there is no downtime. You can get right back to work the moment you step out of the treatment center. For the busy worker, you can even get the treatment done over lunch break and return to your desk without anyone knowing you've just underwent medical treatment.
Micool's Cryo fat reduction method requires consistent work on the body for about 3 months after the initial treatment. Because it reduces the number of fat cells, it fundamentally helps patients with obesity problems. 1 month after the initial treatment, the patient will be able to see visible changes, and 3 months later, he or she will feel a drastic change. To date, Micool is the easiest to use, most cost-efficient, and safest device in weight loss treatment out there.
Micool provides the latest technology in obesity treatment, and it is perfect not just for the ladies who stress out over weight issues, but for all the trendy men who want to look and feel better too. Now you can get rid of unwanted fat easier than ever before. Don't worry about going on a diet. Don't stress out over the way you look. Experience Micool at a hospital near you.
No surgery, no scars. Safe and comfortable. Design your body in 3 months. Perfect from every angle. Do it now with Micool.